Princess. Ha ha, you got the truck. Princess got her truck. What are you gonna do? You got it? What's the truck doing? What's Princess doing? Really?
What's your issue?
Really? You gotta let me move it. You get your truck. You got your truck. You got your toys out on the floor. I know, Slipper. Princess. Really? Yep, where's it going? Where's it going? Huh? Where's it going? Chase the fire truck. Huh? Okay. Alright, Princess. Princess, what's a princess do? You sit? You sit pretty? You want a treat, Princess? You want a treat? Princess want a treat? What's Mommy got in here? Mommy got Busy Bone. I got your Busy Bone. Alright. Let's put that down for a second. Oh, Tiger, you think you'll get something? Let me go get you more. That was a good girl, Princess. Go get it. Go get it. Go get your treat. Good girl. Chew. Where's your bone? Good girl. Can you picture Mommy and Princess together? Mommy and Princess? You got your bone? Take it. I'm gonna take it. Oh, you're not gonna let me take your bone, are you? I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get the princess. I'm gonna get that bone. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get your bone. Yes, I am. I'm gonna get it. Okay. I'm gonna get your phone. Come here. Share. care. Yeah. Get you. Get you. Oh, who's a good puppy? You're a good puppy. You a good puppy. You a good puppy. You're mommy's puppy. Yes, you are. There's your bone. Good girl. Who's the pretty princess? Can I have that? I have that. I got it. I got it. Who's got it? I got your bone. I got your bone. Come on, you gotta come back here with mommy. You gotta come back here with mommy. Are you dancing? Princess dance. Princess dance. Good girl. You at my computer. You get your bone. Princess! Join me and Princess at Pettel.com and join our group I Love American Eskimo.